Welcome back to Steel City Drones. Today we're going to give you an update on where the DJI drone ban stands and tell you all about the interesting developments and plots and twists of what has happened here on the sidelines that can very well influence what happens officially in Congress. So as of right now, where it stands is we're in a holding pattern. The Senate is not going to look at or review or discuss or vote on anything until after the election. Now, with that said, when can that be? Anytime from, the day after the election up until, I would say, the very beginning of December. That's most likely when we're going to see something. So what they're going to look at is Congresswoman Stefanik's proposal and the ban that the House passed through. So now, if you look at the BidGov tracker website, this bill and proposal has less than a 35% chance in passing due to all their matrix that they look at of how bills go through. With that said, the new interesting developments that have come out is that DJI has officially sued the Department of Defense. That's right, the DoD. And what DJI is alleging is that for the past 16 months, they have been as diligent and responsible as they possibly can to contact and work with the DoD on asking them why they put DJI in a classification as a Chinese military company. And again, the Department of Defense that's one gigantic argument that Congresswoman Stefanik has put out there, is that she's saying that because the Department of Defense has classified them as a security risk, that's where a good part of the foundation for that potential ban goes. So DJI now is going to go ahead and they're going on the aggressive now. They're saying for the past 16 months, we've tried everything that we can and we're not getting anywhere. And they're alleging that they have tried to set up meetings, they have asked for information on the rationale behind everything, and also even filed FOIA requests that, according to them, missed deadlines. So they're basically saying they're not getting any cooperation at all, but they've been classified with this support as a Chinese military company that is really hindering operations, and as far as, again, a potential drone ban. So they're saying enough is enough. You have to go ahead and give us something here because we haven't done anything wrong. So the most interesting part about this is who's representing DJI. That is a law firm called Paul Weiss. This is one of the top law firms in the United States. And they don't take on anything unless they completely vet it up front, go through everything, and only then when they really feel 100% that they have a winning case, then they'll take it on. Now, what even makes this more interesting is that the attorney representing DJI is no other than Loretta Lynch. That is Barack Obama's former attorney general. And this actually then generated a response on Congressman Stefanik's website that states, Barack Obama's former attorney general, Loretta Lynch, has turned her back on her nation, selling out to our greatest adversary, Communist China, and suing the United States on behalf of CCP-owned drone company DJI. Not only is her lawsuit full of factual errors, it is also an obvious effort by DJI to distract from CBP's recent holding of DJI imports due to slave labor concerns and a futile attempt to disrupt the momentum behind my unanimous passing Countering CPP Drones Act. DJI's time in the United States is rightfully coming to an end, and Loretta Lynch's sham lawsuit is not going to save them. So right there, that is a really telling statement from the Congresswoman, and it appears that this lawsuit has really touched the nerve there. And I really feel that, this effort here, especially the fact that this is being led by Barack Obama's former Attorney General, who, again, is a Democrat. At least that's where we are as of right now. I wanted to let everybody know where things stand. And when we get anything, we'll definitely update you as to what's going on. So if you have any questions, let us know. Send us an email. Give us a call. We'll be glad to talk to you. Put them down in the comment section below. Until next time, thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.